Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the QR image and the clip you want to overlay. Export the QR as a PNG with transparent background or SVG at 1080px minimum so it stays sharp. Once done, open your Videostar project and import both the video and the QR into the media tray. Make sure the QR is on its own layer so you can move and scale independently. Do this now so the next steps focus only on placement and animation. Next, place the QR layer above your footage and size it to scan-friendly dimensions. Aim for at least 1/5 of the frame height. You want the QR visible but not obstructive. Then keyframe position and scale to match movement. Either manually add keyframes every few frames or use Videostar's motion tracking if available. Once you lock tracking, refine edges and feathering so the QR looks natural on the surface. Make sure scanning contrast remains high by checking preview scannability. Finish by rendering a short test clip and scan the QR with your phone to confirm it works in the final video. If the reader fails, increase QR size or boost contrast by adding a levels or exposure layer. A subtle drop shadow often improves readability on busy backgrounds. If the QR jitters, retract with more keyframes or simplify the motion path. Sometimes reducing motion blur in the clip helps. Finally, export at high quality and double-check scannability on multiple devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.